is I'm playing tiny rifles. So here we go. If you don't know what tiny rifles is, well, you're stupid. Sniper. So enemy team, my team. So move up, move up. So they're holding the ground. Let's get a team of machine gunners. Nice. Oh, they're moving up, they're moving up. So I'm gonna just go ba-da-da-da-da-da-da. And I'm not talking again, so let's add. Nope. Get poop. So, gotta build up the back army here. Oh, mortar. So, I got these dudes here, and those dudes are on guard right now. Let's see. Oh, building up the back. So, I'm gonna save up for some snipers. Sniper elite. Come on. Come on. So I'm gonna send everybody up. Hoping my sniper wouldn't go up, but he kinda did anyway, so yeah. So I'm just gonna start getting me snipers. Oh, and they're just gonna be here. Send, yeah. So I'm pretty sure the objective of the game is to kill everybody and get to there. So move my sniper up. Move him up. Let's buy machine guns. Boom, boom, boom. And another smelly head. Missed. Boy. So. Let's move them forward. Those guys hopefully die. Okay, I'm gonna build up an army of snipers and machine guns. That's all. Send a couple people. A couple people as in everybody. Let's move these up. And then... No! Stupid head! All these machine guns. Okay. Let's move all of them on. You're dead. Oh, don't die. Oh, phew. Come on. Oh, I won. So, does it get harder? Oh, there's just a lot more trenches. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's definitely more trenches. People up to these ones. Wait, kind of like. Right. Okay, this video is gonna be scratched now. Actually, nah, leave it. Okay, guys. So, on to the next game. So, it's another game. Here it is, Trench Assault. Multiplayer soon, okay. Yeah, music. Let's play. I have no idea how this works. Let's go. When British troops, British. To assault against German trenches. Be careful, some trenches is really painful. Yeah! I'm turning music off, that's too loud. You can support features such as artillery, blah blah blah. Artillery. Enemy use gas and soldier masks. Okay, next mission. I still have no idea what I'm doing. Artillery mode, choose target them. What's gas do? You're out of reinforcements. Okay. Oh no. I'm gonna max out everybody. I just think save up a bunch of monies. Money. So I'm gonna try and max out everything. Ding. Okay, I'm gonna pause video and get back to you when I have everything. Okay, got everything. Now, watch this. Dun. Yay, I won, so easy. Instantly we'll just get a dude of this. And just got MGS. Oh, yep, so let's see, I'm gonna also get a sniper. And the rest of these. Hot. Let's see. I'm gonna save up for an artillery. Like. 60, 80. Killer. Okay, I need to save up for artillery. Or not. Attack. I just want. I didn't think about that, did I? Method reinforcements. Flamethrowers. Go. And I'm about to win. Yes, I have won. And then we just take the base. another stupid and okay, I'm back from the ad. Couple of these, and then save up for another 70, 80. Yes. See, okay, they got that, and then I'm gonna be like here, save up for snipper. Okay, wait for them to make the first move. He's a dead or not. Charge. Gimana Mahmud? Oh, lemonade. Kill him, and then, kill him. Wait. Artillery. And now I attack. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, like button, hit subscribe, and yeah, see you in the next video.